Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features. Features also include traction control, satellite radio, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, Uconnect system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.